Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first, I'll give you the technical aspect from a multi-time frame top-down analysis perspective. Then we will move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing, so the big institutional speculators, and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I will put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a very strong uptrend. We can notice here a series of monthly higher highs and higher lows every time during this push to the upside, in which we have seen a correction. So here, every time immediately the market was met with strong institutional buying pressure, immediately propelling the price higher. Right now, we see the first deeper correction in this uptrend. This is the first time that the market corrected deeper than a 0.32 retracement. In fact, if we want to measure this correction, we can see that the market is currently at the last possible retracement zone, so in between the 0.618 and 0.786. If the market will correct deeper than this, essentially the entire uptrend is invalidated, since at that point we would not have a higher low, but we would have an equal low or even a new lower low. So that would be a complete shift of trend. So if buyers want to protect this uptrend, this is the zone inside of which they have to manage to create a new higher low. So let's keep this in mind. It is a strong area, and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, we can see a very interesting scenario as well. We can notice how we had this start of a strong push to the downside. However, now the market seems to be slowing down. In fact, the momentum seems to be slowing down, with the market starting with very big candles. Now we're starting to see this deceleration. Usually that is followed by a rejection to the upside. What we can also notice is that we have this low here. Now, when you see a low like this, a lot of retail traders, when they start entering longs during this push to the upside, they usually have their stop losses below these kind of lows. And right now, the market is hunting all those stop losses. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Now, when you have a stop loss hunting, you give the possibility to institutions to actually take the other side of the trade, because if you have a buy, the stop loss is simply a sell. So all those stop losses getting triggered give the possibility for all that sell pressure to hit the market, which then can be used to actually buy from the big players in the market. Dropping down the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, the situation is very clear. This is a previous low, again, is an area at which we have good probabilities of seeing stop loss hunting, and at the same time, we have a good probability of seeing institutional accumulation of longs inside of this zone. Now, why do I say to see institutions add even more longs inside of that zone? Well, because if we move to the commitment of traders, we can see that institutions have already been buying for quite some time. In fact, net positions are now being increased even more. We went from 154k net positions all the way up to 181k net positions. And keep in mind that data is already for gold against the USD. It is already reported against the USD. Now, this means that institutions are again increasing their longs, which at the moment are sitting at 217,000 longs compared to only 35,000 shorts from the institutional side of the market here on gold USD. So this is very important. We have to keep it in mind. and move back to the chart. So we have seen how we have an increased probability inside of here to see even more institutional accumulation. And usually that happens from a horizontal perspective. So you see a lot of sideways price action, taking out a lot of stop losses, trapping a lot of traders while institutions are accumulating. And only at that point, you actually see the rejection to the upside. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Well, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection higher away from this zone, fueled by more institutional buying pressure, resuming the uptrend from a monthly standpoint. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.